Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you 3 factory-built homes you can buy right now, but you might not believe the price. There are a ton of very cool factory-built housing options available right now, and more companies entering the space all the time. But are they affordable? Judging by the comments on some of my recent videos, survey says maybe not. So it would seem anyway. The good news is I know exactly who to blame. Me. I'm to blame. The thing is, there are factory built options available at every price point, but sometimes I get wrapped up in the modern lines and fancy tech and neglect some of the more affordable options available, even though affordability is way more important than a toilet seat that knows your Spotify playlist on contact. To illustrate my point, I've found 3 completely different but similar homes at various price points to show everyone lighting me up in the comments that there are a mix of high-end and affordable homes available in the space. What I'm going to do is show you 3 factory built homes, tell you what I like about each, and let you know how much they cost. Oh, and by the way, we're counting backwards by price. The first home is a 480 square foot modular out of the Lighthouse living home series from PREFAB. PREFAB is a company in California that designs and prefabricates custom, high quality, healthy, sustainable single and multi-family homes. They just broke ground on a new 270,000 square foot facility 25 miles south of Bakersfield. They will be able to build 800 dwellings per year, so it's likely we'll be seeing a lot more of their homes coming down the pipe. The Lighthouse series has multiple sizes from 310 square feet up to 570 square feet. The series is described as an innovative line of ADUs that celebrate the luxury of less in 5 ultra-efficient sizes. They have 13 floor plan variations in the series to ensure buyers can achieve their ideal living space, siting, and view on just about any property. The Lighthouse Living Home L, which is directly in the middle of the models by size, is 16 feet wide by 30 feet long for a total footprint of 480 square feet. It's a studio floor plan with a bathroom and a separate laundry room that was designed by Alchemy Architects, a Minnesota-based architectural design studio dedicated to making stimulating, engaging, and efficient design more accessible. What I like about the Lighthouse Living Home L is it's different. This place has a look you just don't see every day. The roof line, siding, layout, and interior finishes are all unique, and this home is what I would consider a head turner. PREFAB is very open with their pricing, with cost estimates for everything involved right on their website. Fabrication is $210,000, site work is $110,000, transport and install is $32,000, and finally design, engineering, and permitting is $69,000 for a grand total of $421,000. This is a very unique home, but it's high-end, and as such, it's pricey. Nobody get their Fruit of the Looms bundled just yet. Like I said, we're counting backwards to the most affordable, so let's see what's next. Next, we've got something completely different. North America's premier designer and manufacturer of revolutionary, high-quality, prefabricated wood product kits for standalone outdoor rooms and accessory structures. The company is called Kanga Room Systems, and how they got my attention is one of their models looks like a miniature version of the Blue Homes Breeze House 2100, which I am a very big fan of. How cool is that? They're located in Waco, Texas, and have the ability to ship nationwide. People buying a Kanga room system located within Texas have the option to use the Kanga team to install the unit, while everyone outside of Texas would have theirs shipped as a kit and either have a DIY project or hire a local contractor. They have units starting at 196 square feet all the way up to 1,400 square feet that can be used for a variety of different purposes. They say, at Kanga Room Systems, we've branded our product at a much higher standard than any other prefab product on the market. Our product is unsurpassed for well-engineered component quality, aesthetic appeal, and choices of style. Industry-wide, we offer more aesthetic value and better workmanship in a smaller build wood shelter kit product than any other builder or prefabricator. Their Modern Dwell series has a 16 by 26 foot floor plan that's just a tad smaller than the PREFAB at 416 square feet. The home has 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom off of an open kitchen living room space that has access through double doors to a deck. There isn't that many different layouts available in a space this size, but I think what they came up with works. It's simple and efficient. What I like about Kanga rooms is people who have the ability and get up are able to save money by taking on a bit of a DIY project. The price of the 16 by 26 kit starts at $19,500. An installed shell starts at $45,000, and a turnkey installation starts at $97,000. Not bad at all, but unless you're able to do the DIY kit, there are more affordable options. The final home of the day is for all the people who ask me to show more home options that are available on the East Coast. This is a home that's very similar to another model I've shown in another video, but get this, it's 10 square feet bigger and $4,000 less. Figure that out. The home I'm talking about is the Thrifty from Factory Select Homes, not to be confused with the Thrifty One from Factory Expo Home Centers. Even I'm confused. The Thrifty is available in North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia, currently on sale for $38,900 with a limit of one per customer. That's how you know when you're getting a good deal. They only allow you to get one. Aside from being $4,000 less than the Thrifty One, the other big difference is who builds the home. The Thrifty is built by Fleetwood Homes, who is owned by Cavco, and the Thrifty One is built by Champion. The Thrifty from Fleetwood is 13'8" by 32 for a total floor space of 437 square feet, which includes one bedroom, one bathroom, an open living room, and a kitchen. The layout kind of looks like a studio if a studio had a separate bedroom, because the living room kitchen end of the home is very wide open, if that makes sense. I understand that a studio with one bedroom becomes a one bedroom and not a studio, but I stand by the statement. If there was ever a one bedroom studio, this would be it. Tiny homes aside, at $38,900, this could very well be the most affordable factory-built home in North America. Has anyone seen one for less? Keep in mind, every company markets their price in a different way. For example, Plant Prefab included delivery in their price and others don't. So make sure you understand who includes what, because it's likely going to be different everywhere you look. What I like best about the Thrifty is the price. Affordability isn't easy to come by right now, so a house for the same price as some new trucks is pretty crazy. Think about that for a second. A home for the same or less than some new vehicles. It's wild. Factory Select Homes is located in Statesville, North Carolina. So if you're in the area and looking for one of the most affordable homes in the country, there you have it. The big question is, are there still factory-built homes that are affordable? Based on what I'm seeing, I'm going to say yes. However, the offsite construction industry seems to be expanding into more segments of the market to compete with builders at every price point. If you think about it, right now we're seeing single-family homes, ADUs, recreation homes, and multifamily buildings all being built off-site, and being the most affordable option simply isn't the goal for some of these companies. The industry has a wide range of options, from affordable to high-end and everything in between. What works best for each individual is going to come down to budget and personal preference. Simple as that. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.